3 to the power 2, and we have 4 here. Okay, so what this basically means is this power inside, we multiply the power outside. This will be 3 to the power 2 times 4. So we're going to have 3 to the power 8. Okay, so that's basically what it means there. If we are using alphabet, let's say we have something like B to the power 3 inside, and we have 2 outside. So this is something as B to the power 3 inside times the 2 outside. This will give us B to the power 6. So this is basically what this rule is explaining. Now let's look at the fourth rule. The fourth rule I have here states that anything raised to the power 1 is let's say any value raised to the power 1 is a value itself. Alright, for instance, if you have something like 3 to the power 1 is something as 3, when you have x to the power 1 is something as x, in that order or in that sequence. Now, when you have something like d times d to the power 3, this d, there is invisible power on it. That's 1. 1 is the invisible power. So it is considered as 1 here. That means we are going to involve 2 rules here. This fourth rule now we are dealing with, and the multiplication rule. So if we break this further, it's going to give us, since the base is the same, so you add the powers. So it's going to be d, the power here is 1 plus 3. You give us for d to the power 4. So basically, any value or number raised to the power 1 is that number or that value itself. Now let's look at the fifth rule now. The fifth rule states that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. For instance, when you have 5 to the power 0 is 1. X to the power 0 will still give you 1. This is basically what this rule is explaining. When you have 27 to the power 0 will give you 1. Okay, when you have exponential to the power 0 will still give you 1. Alright, so that's basically what the fifth rule is explaining or talking about.